Hello and welcome to Pre-Gel America's Professional Training Center. Demonstrated in this video are the steps to produce hot processed gelato and sorbetto. You can use any pre-gel traditional pastes or fortefrutto to flavor your creation. For gelato, the recipe is made with milk and often flavored with a traditional paste, whereas for sorbetto is made with water and usually flavored with a fortefrutto and contains no dairy. The hot process requires the use of a specialized machine which heats the gelato or sorbetto ingredients. There are some gelato machines that contain both a heat mixer and a batch freezer. The hot process is generally used because it can allow for more flexibility for the customization of recipes and offers a slightly longer shelf life than other processes. Please enjoy our instructional videos.
In this demonstration, we will be making hot process chocolate and hazelnut gelato. We have selected this flavor for the demonstration, but any pre-gel traditional paste can be used to make this style of gelato. Visit www.pregelamerica.com for a full listing of pre-gel traditional paste flavors. The machine we are using for this recipe has a built-in heat mixer. However, if you have a separate heat mixer, please stay tuned for special instructions for that machine. In this recipe for hot processed chocolate and hazelnut gelato, we will be using the following pre-measured ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, pre-gel non-fat dry milk powder, pre-gel dextrose, pre-gel Diamond 50, pre-gel chocolate and hazelnut traditional paste. Begin your recipe by pouring the milk and cream into a large bucket. In a separate bowl, combine the sugar, pre-gel non-fat dry milk powder, pre-gel dextrose, and pre-gel Diamond 50. Add the dry ingredients to the liquid mix. Then add the pre-gelled chocolate and hazelnut traditional paste and blend with an immersion blender until completely combined. Now you're ready to pour the mixture into the heat mixer part of the machine, allowing the heating cycle to begin. Follow your equipment instructions to heat liquid to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The machine will beep or notify you that it has completed heating. Once heated, the mixture will be ready to transfer to the batch freezer and begin the freezing cycle. Consult manufacturer instructions to determine the method of use and freeze time for your equipment. In this recipe for hot processed chocolate and hazelnut gelato, we will be using a separate heat mixer and batch freezer with these pre-measured ingredients: white base, pre-gelled chocolate and hazelnut traditional paste. To create a minimum quantity of white base used in this demonstration, for a standalone heat mixer, we will be using the following pre-measured ingredients: milk, cream, pre-gel non-fat dry milk powder, sugar, pre-gel Diamond 50, and pre-gel dextrose. Begin your recipe by pouring the milk directly into the heat mixer and follow your equipment instructions to heat liquid to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. While the milk is heating, combine the sugar, pre-gel non-fat dry milk powder, pre-gel dextrose, and pre-gel Diamond 50 in a separate bowl. Once the milk has come to temperature, add the dry ingredients directly into the machine with the milk. Consult your machine instructions for proper time to add cream. Once the mixture is ready to extract, remove 4,000 grams of the white base and place in a large bucket. Add 350 grams of pre-gelled chocolate and hazelnut traditional paste and blend with an immersion blender until completely combined. Now you're ready to pour the mixture into the batch freezer and begin the freezing cycle. Consult manufacturer instructions to determine the method of use and freeze time for your equipment. When gelato is ready to extract, the batch freezer will beep or notify you that it has completed freezing. Take the chilled gelato pan, switch the batch freezer into extraction mode, and use a chilled metal spatula to gather the gelato and place into the pan, moving from front to back. Two styles of gelato presentation result from extraction: peaks and sculpted. Peaks are easily achieved by simply placing mounds of gelato in the pan and allowing the gelato to come off the spatula naturally. Sculpted gelato is achieved when the gelato is extracted and then manipulated with the spatula into a swirled mound. Both styles are commonly accepted and provide an appealing artisanal feel for your display case. Here we showcase peaks. The final step in all gelato making is decoration. A simple, beautiful decoration for chocolate and hazelnut gelato is whole hazelnuts and chocolate garnishes placed on top. Immediately store your gelato in a display case or standard freezer after extraction to preserve the shape and texture. If available, chill in a blast freezer for 20 minutes. Showcased here is sculpted.